How to specify tax rules in WHMCS. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into your WHMCS admin panel. Now let's learn how to set up tax rules. Click the Setup tab. Click Payments. Then click Tax Rules. Certain countries and states require you to collect taxes on your sales. WHMCS allows you to specify the tax rates on a regional basis. To enable tax support, check this box. You can choose whether you want your prices to include the tax already, inclusive, or have taxes added on top of your prices, exclusive. You can also choose whether or not domains, billable items, late fees, or custom invoices should be taxed. Activate compound tax if you have more than one tax level and the second level tax is applied to the new subtotal, including the first level tax. This will depend on your local tax rules. When finished, click Save Changes. Now we have to set up our tax rules. Click Add New Tax Rule. Enter the name of your tax rule. Select whether the rule is to apply to all countries or just a specific country. Next, decide whether the rule is to apply to all states or a specific state. If you want to apply the rule to multiple states, you'll need to set up a separate rule for each state. Enter the tax rate for the specified state, then click Add Rule. That's it. The tax rule has been set up. Repeat this process for any other countries or states you need to set up tax rules for. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to specify tax rules in WHMCS.